Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Neira. I want to share my review on these gel nail polishes that I got sent from Nail.Addict, soon to be Nail Reserve. As you can see, the consistency of their product is pretty nice right here. Their products are focused on healthy, vegan, cruelty-free, and affordable gel nail polishes. They sent me 6 of their polishes. Their mini LED lamp to cure the gel. I got their base and top coat polishes, which helps the colored polishes give the best results. I chose the colors Sea, Swing, and Sun, which is like a neutral brown, aqua blue, which is like a baby blue. It's the prettiest baby blue, honestly. It's like my brand color. I love it. Baby pink, which is like a nice girly pink. As I'm applying the gel polish, I did notice it easily glides on the nail and the solution isn't thick, so you can build up the color as much as you'd like, but I only applied 3 coats, which gave me a great coverage. The LED lamp is a self-timer. You can purchase Nail-Addict products on their website, 𝚂𝚂𝙾𝙿.com. The link will also be in the description box. Be sure to use my code Neira, which is Neira, for 50% off your purchase. Y'all know what's up. It can be applied for a minimum of 2 gel nail polishes, and please be advised that it will not work when they have automatic sales on the site. So please be sure to check out their nail polishes because honestly it's amazing, and I am a beginner. This was actually my first time ever doing my own nail with gel nail polishes. So if you are a beginner, these are great for beginners and it's affordable, so I would definitely recommend them. But that's all I have for y'all today. If you would like to continue watching it, please continue watching it, which I show you how I did the little designs on my nails. It wasn't the best, but it was pretty decent. Like, I was actually proud of myself, and I'm like, hey, like, this was actually not that hard. And the nails that I use, like the tips, it's like press-ons, but what's it called? It's like these tips that I found on Amazon, really affordable also. So you could do your own nails, yo. Okay, start doing that. Buy some Nail-Addict polishes and you're set. Like, you could do anything that you want. Like, people can't shape your nails right, do your own nails. Because I always had that problem. Like, people was not up to par to shape my nails. I only found like one person, like, and her shaping was great, but she kind of stopped doing nails. So I was like, all right, let me kind of learn how to do my own nails, especially with like quarantine and all that. Learn to do your nails. Thank you, Nail-Addict, for sponsoring this video, and thank you for watching my video. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. If you like videos like this, please let me know because I could do some more designs.